Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use margin on M1 Finance. M1 Borrow allows you to access a flexible line of credit against your investment portfolio. This feature can be a powerful tool for various financial needs, from consolidating debt to making large purchases. Understanding its mechanics is key to leveraging it effectively and responsibly. We'll cover the basics and how to get started. To qualify for M1 Borrow, you must have an M1 Invest taxable brokerage account with at least $5,000 in eligible assets. Not all investments count towards this minimum. For example, certain penny stocks are excluded. M1 Finance automatically assesses your eligibility and available borrowing power. It's important to maintain a diversified portfolio to maximize your borrowing potential and manage risk effectively. Understanding the risks associated with margin is crucial. A margin call can happen if your portfolio value drops below a certain threshold, requiring you to deposit additional funds or sell assets. This can lead to forced selling at unfavorable times. Always consider your risk tolerance and financial situation before utilizing margin. Responsible use involves careful monitoring and a clear understanding of the potential downsides. Activating M1 Borrow is straightforward and can be done directly from your M1 Finance dashboard. Once approved, funds are usually available within 1 to 2 business days, ready for you to use as needed. Remember, while margin can offer flexibility, it's essential to have a repayment strategy. Always borrow responsibly and monitor your portfolio's health. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.